Hello, yeah, welcome back. In this tutorial, I want to create the withdrawal table and the deposit table. So let's get started. Let's minimize this. Come to our PHP. Now, okay, create table now. We can put our table name here. Let's call it withdrawal. Now, how many columns do we need? We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 columns. We have 2 already. This is 1 and 2. So we're going to click on Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. So let's count, okay? The first one is going to be the serial number, it's SN serial number, and that will be my primary key. Let me make that to be integer, and let me choose that as my primary key, index, primary. Then you make it to auto increment. Then by default, anytime you are inserting into this table, the serial number will increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So click on auto increment. Then the next column is going to be my name. That will be varchar, length of 100. The next column will be account number. It's going to be integer, no length. The next column will be previous balance. That will be real because it's money. Real, no length. The next column will be amount withdrawn, and that will also be real because it's money. Okay, real, it's okay, sorry, make it to be real, it's money. Then we also have authorized staff ID. It's going to be integer. We have the date. The dates will be generated automatically. That's going to be varchar, a length of 100. Then we also have new balance. New balance. Now, this new balance is going to be explained by the time we start coding our interface, the importance of the new balance column. So let's make it to be real also. Then, okay, there's no length. So our table will be created now. Let's just click on Go or Save. Let's click on Save. You can see that withdrawal table has been created. Now the next table we want to create is the deposit table. Let's name it deposit. We need how many columns? 8 columns also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 2 already. Click on Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one 8. So we have the serial number, and that will be integer. That will be my primary key, and I'm going to auto increment it. Index, primary, then auto increment. The next column will be name. That will be varchar, the length of 100. The next column will be account number. That will be integer. The next column will be previous balance. That will be real because it's money. The next column will be amount deposited. And that is supposed to be real because it is money. Then the next column will be date. And that will be generated automatically from the DB, from the system. That will be varchar, okay, length of 100. We also have depositor's name. Depositor's name. We just call it depositor underscore name. That will be varchar. The length of 100. Then we also have okay, after date is supposed to be, after amount deposited is supposed to be authorized ID. Let me just make, okay, authorized ID. That's supposed to be integer, no length. Then after that we have date. Varchar length of 100. This one don't need to put length here. Then after date we have depositor's name. Depositor underscore name. That's supposed to be varchar. Now if you check the interface, there is no depositor's name on the interface. So after creating this table, I'm going to add the depositor's name, which means the person that is depositing into the account, his name should be captured in case of any problem. That's for security purpose. Click on save. Okay, let's check for something. The length of 100. Let's put 100 here. Let's click on save. So we have how many tables? We have 4 tables: deposit, register customer, register staff, and withdrawal table. Before we forget, let's go back to our banking application project. On the deposit interface, deposit_interface.java, I'm going to add, okay, just double click and isolate this. I need my depositor's name, so let me just add a label. Right click, edit text, depositor's name. Then on that, I'm going to add my text field. Double click, you drop one here. Right click, edit text, and remove. Double click again to bring it back to the interface. You can see that we now have depositor's name on the interface. Because we have added depositor's name, we need to code the clear button for this. Come to properties. Let's check. Okay, this is JTextField7. So we're going to double click the clear button. I'm going to add J text field 7 dot set text. I'm going to set it to null. So the same thing we are supposed to do to our register customer interface. We added the previous balance or the initial balance label, and we need to also add that to the clear button. So let's come to our register customer. Okay, wait. Okay, under register staff, we're supposed to add it under register customer, so this is a big mistake. So you come here, delete, come here, delete. Let's just double click and isolate this. It's looking fine. So let's go and add it under our register customer. It's supposed to be under customer. Double click to isolate, bring it down, add your label, right click, edit text. So let's call this initial balance. Initial balance. So something is wrong here. Let's just drag. Something is wrong here. Let's just drag. Okay, it's now right. So let's come and add our text field. Double click. Add your text field. You right click, edit text, and remove. So double click this interface again to bring it back to the main interface. So you can see that this is now JText field 4. So click on the clear button. Okay, sorry. Double click on the clear button. We have JText field 4. JText field 4 dot set text. I'm going to set it to null. I see that it's not working very fine. So if you check the register customer, let's come to services. You can see. Okay, before going to services, so we are now sure that our tables have been created. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.